blasted through the darkness so the torch could be transferred. Now we stand at the threshold, handle it or burn. The code was written ancient, before we had a say. What we are was never chosen, what we choose is today. Evolution write its programming in the rising flood. Now the consequences written in our bone and blood. The threshold won't wait long. First generation we know the cause. One way led to ruin, one way lead us home. This is why we came. Evolution give the hammer, now we choose the nail. Build a world worth passing on, or watch it tip and fail. Something shift inside the species when the truth expand. Just see if we can. Not for flag, not for empire, not for any crown. For the ones who come after, we must not let it down. Ancestors pass the torch, now children wake the flame. Stand up at the threshold, rise or fall the same. The threshold won't wait long. First generation we know the cause. One way led to ruin, one way lead us home. This is why we came. Every ancestor watching. Choose now, choose now. The threshold won't wait long.